Hi, Richard Jacobs, Speakeasy Marketing, and today is my third video talking about authoring a book in one of your practice areas. Here's a sample book I did with an attorney in Minnesota, a divorce book. Minnesota Divorce Survival Guide. Keep your sanity, children, job, and life intact. Now, in one video, we talked about misconceptions people have about these books. They're too thin, they're too thick, no one reads, I'm too sophisticated, all that junk. Bullshit. It's not true. These books work. Another video, I talked about some of the ways you can use them in your sales funnel, meaning you have a phone consult, the person says, let me think about it, and you never hear from them again. You mail them the book to cut down on that. You have a phone consult, the person makes an appointment, and they could no-show. Mail them a book to cut down on that. Person comes in your office, they don't retain for some reason, hand them the book. Again, cuts down on people leaving, running away, falling in love with a cheaper attorney that's trying to woo them away from you, all that stuff. I'm going to tell you some more places your book can go. A lot of people are tempted to just do an electronic version of this, which is very useful and very good. What can you do with that? An electronic version can turn into a PDF. That PDF can be emailed to potential clients. It doesn't work nearly as well as a physical book, I'm telling you, but it has some weight. I take these PDFs from my attorney clients, we put them on their website, and they're downloadable. When someone goes to download the book, there's a picture of the book on the site. It's called an e-cover when you see the icon of it on the site. And there's a download button, free download button. When someone goes to download it, they're asked to put in their name, their email, and their phone number. And they become a lead that you can call upon because they've raised their hand and said, I'm interested in this book that you have. So not only is there a chance for them to read it, but you can contact this person and try to get them as a retained client. Other places this book can go. You want to take pictures with it and have them on your website, you know? You in a suit with this book, or you sitting down with this book. It's not cheesy. You know why it's good? It demonstrates your authority, it demonstrates your celebrity and your credibility. Just a book floating along in space is fine, but you holding it or you sitting with it is a much better way to showcase that you are the author of this book and you're the celebrity on this subject. Another place this book can go is on a business card. No reason you can't have a picture of it, a picture of you holding it, a picture of the book, or at least reference it that it could be downloaded from your website. That can go on the back of a business card. Let's say you're doing direct mail. Again, reference it in your direct mail. What if you're doing billboards, or TV, or Yellow Pages ads, or radio, or any kind of advertising you can do, penny savers, church bulletins, wherever it is. If you are positioned as being an author in the subject you're trying to get clients in, you know, DUI, criminal defense, bankruptcy, divorce, whatever it is, you're going to get called far more often because people perceive you as the Dr. Phil or the Susie Orman. They look at you as the expert, even though you're not allowed to say that. The book silently implies that. That's what it does for you. So I highly recommend you get it done. It's not a hard process. Very, very simple. I have a process that lets you get it done literally in an hour, and I take care of the rest. But you got to do this for your practice. It'll be a tremendous help.